In this video, I am going to show you how we can customize the quick access toolbar in Microsoft Office 2019. So I have opened Microsoft Word 2019, and here is the quick access toolbar that let you perform some action, like you can save the document using one click, undo and redo, and also you can add various buttons like email and new, etc. If you want to add more commands, you can click on more commands, and here you can add various icons. Like these are popular command. You can use any menu like file tab. You can outlining tab. You can add any icon. So I will, for the practical purpose, I will use the insert comment box. Insert comment command and click on OK. So insert comment is now visible in the quick access toolbar. Also, you can move this quick access toolbar. If the quick access toolbar is on the title bar, you will see this show below the ribbon. So if you click, it will appear now below the ribbon. And if you want to show above the ribbon, then click show above the ribbon. Also in Office 2019, there is one unique feature in quick access toolbar, that is uh, visible here, touch or mouse mode. So if you can see on my screen, we are using mouse, and if you use the touch, suppose you are using a touch-based device like Microsoft Surface. So here icon is separated too far, like you can use on the touch device, and you can see here more space between command optimized for use with touch. And if you use mouse, so the exactly uh, your ribbon bar adjust according to the given mode. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.